Hi! In this video we're going to show you how to start your first skills reflection on Skills Builder Benchmark. Once logged in, go to your learner dashboard, click Skills Profile and scroll down. Find the skill you would like to reflect on, then click Get Started. On the next screen, you can watch a video that introduces the skill and explains key concepts and strategies. You will learn about the 4 stages of progression, from getting started to complete mastery of the skill. When you've finished watching, click Get Started to begin reflecting on how you've applied the skill at the Getting Started stage. For each skill step, you'll need to answer how often you are able to apply that specific step. Almost never. Rarely. Sometimes. Often. Almost always. Think as broadly as you can, and take the time you need to do this. There is no right or wrong answer, and your answers may vary depending on time, past experiences, or recent events. It is best to be honest with yourself so that your results are an accurate reflection of your skill set. Once you've clicked an answer, a colored tick will appear briefly on your chosen box, then the survey progresses automatically to the next step. You'll notice a change in the question, here, and in the step number highlighted, here. You cannot skip ahead to a higher step, but you may come back to an earlier step, in case you wish to change your answer. Top tip: if you have time for an in-depth reflection, you may wish to open the Interactive Universal Framework on a separate tab of your web browser. This will break down each skill even further, allowing to refine your answers even more. Otherwise, carry out the survey using your best judgment, and based on your current understanding of what each skill step entails. Each time you reach the end of a learning stage, you'll see a screen like this, with the title of the next stage. If the next stage seems a little above your current skill set, you can choose to end here. Otherwise, click Get Started again to continue self-reflecting. When you've finished your skills reflection, your skill score will appear at the top of the page. Underneath, you can click here to review your answers, or scroll down to discover your top 3 strengths and top 3 areas for development, which are calculated based on the answers you've given. Scroll a little further down and you'll find a range of suggested activities to practice the various steps in the skill you've just assessed. For example, you might like to explore one of the steps suggested as an area for development, or you can tab to other steps for further activity suggestions. At the bottom of the page, to enhance independent learning, there is a link to the relevant interactive module on Skills Builder Launchpad. This site is separate, and will require a new login. If you have time, feel free to repeat this reflective process for another skill, by clicking any of the other skill icons below, or by returning to Dashboard, via the button at the top of the page. Your skill score should now appear in 2 places. On the radar chart so you can compare this skill against the other skills. And alongside the skill icon underneath, so you can revisit it later. We hope you've found this video useful. Thank you for watching how to start your first skills reflection on Skills Builder Benchmark.